Hi there guys. Today it's time to go with the BTS. We are here at the Phaya Thai station and I'll show you how it works. Because the traffic is just too much. The cab would take ages to get somewhere else. And the tuk-tuk is too expensive. BTS is the SkyTrain, so it's always above the street. And it's separated from the metro. There are actually 4 lines in Bangkok, which is the BTS, going there to our station Phaya Thai, going all the way down here. Then we got the metro. Another metro and the Skylink, Airport Link. I will go now from Phaya Thai to Siam and then to where is it? Lumpini, there we go. Okay. So at every BTS station and metro there's this border. You need a ticket. Just take a look where you are now. We are here at Phaya Thai and we want to go to Siam because we have to change. It costs 20. So we go here, we push 20. They ask you to enter coins. You put the coin in there and then you got your ticket. That's it. But buying a ticket all the time is too exhausting and too expensive. That's why I have my own debit card. Just put it here. It says I got 24 flights left. We are going to Bering, so we have to go here. Stairs, stairs, stairs. Here we are. Yeah, the view is quite impressive. Though it's just a BTS station, not a skyscraper. Okay, waiting for the train is quite boring, that's why I'm making a cut here. See you later.